Welcome back, everybody. Crypto Traders Podcast. Today we're going to talk about Litecoin. Litecoin, why we think it's going to explode in 2023. What do you think about it, JOMO?
Well, Siam, we know what the buzzword that everyone likes in crypto. There's just one buzzword everyone likes it. It's the halving, all right? It's halving time. And Litecoin is about to have its fourth halving. We're estimating it around the 2nd of August or the beginning of August. And if you don't know what a halving is, it's a cutting by half the rewards of the block for miners. Usually that is a catalyst for a trade. Now, the beautiful thing is that you can, even if you did not know this fundamental thing, you would have seen that LTC is actually creating a VCP volatility contraction pattern, right, just around the $100 area. All right. Now, this is fundamental to understand. It is the supply and demand dynamics. They are contracting, meaning, okay, less buyers, more sellers each time. You can see the higher lows we're having, all right? And slowly but surely, we're going to tighten around the $100 area. That is what I would love to see for a trade. If we can tighten around that $100 area and then break convincingly, right, I would say it will be prior to the halving, then we will take this for a trade. What do you think, Siam?
Bro, I'm so bullish on Litecoin. By the way, guys, if you're watching and you're bullish on Litecoin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. I totally agree with you, bro. Okay, we're looking at on a very bullish price action. 200 sloping up. That's the first thing I'm looking on the coins. Higher lows, and we're squeezing under the $100 psychological mark. I'm gonna start buying. I'm probably going to start buying over here above the 104, and I'm going to go balls deep on the 105, 107 for a trade right here on the break above this.
100%.
Man,
100%.
It's good. And also, if you look back, you can see this is a critical resistance, a critical area for support and resistance right here for Litecoin. Support here. So once we break this level on volume and on hype, I think it's going to be amazing trade for crypto traders.
Now, the main word to remember is a trade. Now, why a trade and not a hodl, CM? I will tell you why. Because if you go back to the last halving, right? The last halving back in around August 2019, all right, you will see that there was a big up move, all right? But that up move only made a trade, right? That's February 19, August, exactly. Prior to that, right? It came before the halving, all right? That's September, right? So the halving,
this one.
Yes, exactly. So the move came before the halving and then actually broke down in price when halving came. So that's very typical when you have some certain information, maybe not everyone knows about it just yet. People are buying the hype, and then when it goes out and the halving happens, it's a sell in the news and so on and so forth. That's what I'm estimating that might happen right now. We might have a sell in the news back in August, and we might have a run prior to that. That is why I'm considering what we're seeing right now as a trade, a good trade, a trade that you might be able to squeeze in a higher position than usual. Why? Because Litecoin is very, very, very liquid. What do you think, Sian?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to go heavy, man. Heavy. Actually, I'm looking for a big move. Obviously, I'm taking profits along the way, but I'm looking for a move like something like that, man. Something like that, like around maybe 60% move out of Litecoin on the next couple of weeks, couple of months, if we can break the 106. This is probably, I'm taking profits way before that, but I'm expecting something like that because this is actually the measured move of the base. It has a very beautiful base, actually. It's like, it looks like a cup and handle here, a cup and a, fakey handle, but it looks really nice to me. And by the way, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join JOMO trading group, feel free to click on the link in the description and choose a tier. JOMO, can you tell us about your trading group, please?
Sure. We have a few different, ways to see what I do, right? So we have a community. What I try to do is show everyone my capabilities and what I can teach you as a mentor, right? So if you just want to join for $10 or less, just come see. We have all the market updates. You can see what I'm thinking about, how I'm thinking about it. But if you want to see my trades, right, the real signals, when to execute, taking profits, stop loss, you will need to go for the alpha trader. Most of the community is an alpha trader, and my main goal is to show you what what I do and how I do money, right? It's not only Litecoin. We make money many times while Litecoin was only building. Even the last 2 days, we already have trade 50% on area. Huge trade. While Litecoin is kind of sleeping, we made 50% and counting, by the way, on a trade. So if you really want to understand how to make money each month, all right, each month almost, you can be profitable. Just join the community for less. You want to buy Zara shirt? Don't buy that Zara shirt. Come to my group. I will show you. Then you'll most probably be able to buy multiple Zara shirts after a month.
All right, man. Sounds good. See you in the next episode. Cheers.
Cheers.